Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MARK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another pullback here, and some adjustments here need to be made now that we have more data. So the first adjustment that needs to be made is I'm going to go ahead and adjust this level of support down here to right around $2.45, as that seems to be the truest level of support right now. The key dynamic there is that, what direction did that adjustment need to be made? Whenever levels of support need to be adjusted lower, not in an ideal situation. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that because I had to adjust that down, 4 cents, that implies that this thing is going back down to $1 next week. My point is that it's just one of those little things that you want to take note of, that whenever those levels of support need to be adjusted a little bit lower, and then a little bit lower, you want to see support levels being adjusted higher, not lower. So point here being 245 now going to be that key level to watch in the very near term. But from the overarching standpoint, and it's still a ways to go, but it's becoming more relevant. And this is definitely a very famous, a very followed level within the world of charts. In fact, even if you just have a basic surface deep understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period moving average, and that is what the pink line is representing on my chart, which is valued at $2. Now, I'm not saying the price is headed down to $2. I'm just saying that after this 245 mark, that essentially becomes the next overarching level of support that you would want to keep an eye on. And yeah, right now it's relatively far down below. So if the price were to break below there, it wouldn't be shocking at all to see some downward selling pressure, show up. Now, on the flip side of things, if this current sideways price action continues to hold nicely, and then the price starts to work its way back upwards, main area of resistance to watch is now going to be just shy of the $3 mark. So keep an eye on that, which is the purple line there, the 50 period moving average. You can actually see it's already acted as resistance right there. So keep a very close eye on that. And if the price can get its way back above $3, I'm not willing to say that it's going back up to $3.50 at that point, but that would definitely, really start to change the landscape of the chart and, help imply that this current pullback that's underway, may finally be over. So we'll see what happens with it next week, but a lot of eyeballs will be watching it, I'm sure. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.